So welcome to Techno Dad Life. So today what we're going to do is compare two things, the new Gostream Duet and the Atem Mini and all its variations. So if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll try to remember to put links in the description of anything I mentioned in the video. So let's get right down to this and start comparing these two Atems. So the first difference we'll notice is the sizes. So basically the Atem Mini is smaller. In inches, this is 9.3 by 4 by 1.4, or in centimeters, 23 by 10 by 3.5. And the Osee Gostream is in inches, 9 by 9, 9.9 by 4.2 by 1.9, or in centimeters, it's 25 by 10.7 by 4.9. Next, if we look at the top, the Osee Gostream Duet has a more traditional button layout, where the Atem Mini, it's abbreviated. The Osee has an on-off button, which I personally have been missing for a long time. The Atem does not. So the Osee has dials to control menu items. It has a slider for transitions. So video inputs for the Atem Mini, the Atem can do 4. For the Osee, it can actually do 12. So we have 4 NDIs, 4 HDMIs, 1 USB, and then also you can do playback from the card here on the front. For streaming, the Atem can only do 1 stream at a time. The Osee can do 3. So for audio, you can pick 5 channels out of the 12 input sources to go live. And so on the Atem, you definitely cannot do that. So price-wise, the basic Atem Mini is $295. The most closely related to the Gostream Duet is the ISO, which is $595. Currently, the Gostream Duet sells for $395, and that is all in. So it includes the Gostream deck, the SDI to HDMI converter, and it has the NDI licenses. So which one should you choose? So if you're a traditionalist and you have minimal requirements, the Atem Mini is the perfect Atem for you. If you have SDI inputs, you have more audio sources, or if you want to record on the cheap, then definitely the Gostream Duet is for you. And if you have NDI HX where you do wireless video, then this includes the licenses already, so that will save you even more money. So it's probably your best bang for your buck if you have those extra needs. So that's it for today. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.